Episode 33, Leveraging E-commerce Platforms. Welcome back to Start Your Business Today. Today we're diving into the exciting world of e-commerce platforms. Are you ready to take your business online? Stick with me as we explore how to effectively leverage e-commerce platforms to reach a global audience and skyrocket your sales. Segment 1. Understanding e-commerce platforms. Before we delve into the how, let's clarify what we mean by an e-commerce platform. An e-commerce platform is essentially a software application that allows you to manage your online store. This can include everything from listing your products, managing inventory, processing payments, and even handling customer service. Keywords to define. E-commerce, the buying and selling of goods or services over the internet. Platform, a software tool that provides the infrastructure for your online store. Inventory management, the process of tracking product stock levels. Segment 2. Key benefits of using e-commerce platforms. Now that we understand what an e-commerce platform is, let's look at the key benefits of using one for your business. Broader reach. E-commerce platforms break geographical barriers, allowing you to sell to customers worldwide. Operational efficiency. Automated processes reduce manual work and streamline operations, saving you time. Data insights. You gain access to valuable data analytics, helping you understand customer behavior and improve decision-making. Customer convenience. 24/7 shopping gives your customers the flexibility to shop whenever they want. Segment 3. Choosing the right e-commerce platform. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is essential. Here are some key factors to consider. 1. Ease of use. Look for user-friendly interfaces that make it easy to set up and manage. 2. Customization options. Select platforms that allow you to tailor your store to fit your branding needs. 3. Payment gateways. Ensure the platform supports your preferred payment methods. 4. Scalability. Consider whether the platform can grow with your business as you scale. 5. Customer support. Robust support options can be crucial, especially when you're starting out. Segment 4. Setting up your e-commerce store. Let's walk through the key steps to setting up your e-commerce store. Grab your notebook because these are actionable tasks you can start today. Step 1. Sign up for your chosen platform. Watch as I sign up for Shopify. Go to the platform's website, click Get Started, and fill out the necessary information. Most platforms offer a free trial. Take advantage of that. Step 2. Choose a template demo, selecting a template. Select a professional-looking template that fits your brand. Customization is key. Your store's look should reflect your brand identity. Step 3. Add products demo, adding products, including images, descriptions, and prices. Start adding your products. Use high-quality images and compelling descriptions. Remember, your product details must persuade buyers to click Add to Cart. Step 4. Set up payment options. Show payment settings. Configure payment options. Integrate popular payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, and any regional options. Step 5. Implement shipping settings. Show shipping settings and options. Set up shipping rates based on your locations. Consider offering free shipping as an incentive. Step 6. Test your store host navigates through the store preview. Before launching, do a thorough test. Check the customer journey as if you're a buyer. Is it smooth? Are the buttons intuitive? Segment 5. Launching your e-commerce store. Great! You have your store set up. Now it's time to launch. Here are the steps. 1. Create awareness. Use social media platforms to announce your launch. Create teasers and offers. 2. Leverage email marketing. Send an announcement to your email list. Build excitement. 3. Run a promotion. Consider offering discounts or free shipping for the first 30 customers to kickstart sales. 4th, monitor performance. Once launched, closely monitor your store's performance through analytics. Adjust marketing strategies based on what works best. Segment 6. Marketing your e-commerce store. With your store live, marketing becomes crucial. Here are some effective strategies. Social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your products visually. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your product descriptions for search engines. Think about the keywords your customers might be searching for. Content marketing. Write blog posts or create videos around your products. This builds authority and drives traffic to your site. Email marketing. Utilize email campaigns to keep your customers informed about new products and promotions. Segment 7. Scaling your e-commerce business. As your business grows, so should your strategy. Here are ways to scale effectively. 1. Expand your product line. Regularly introduce new products based on customer feedback. 2. Global shipping. Consider expanding shipping options to cater to international customers. 3. Automation tools. Use tools like fulfillment services to lighten your operational load. 4. Customer loyalty programs. Reward your loyal customers to encourage repeat purchases. Conclusion. Today we covered the ins and outs of leveraging e-commerce platforms to grow your business. If you're ready to make the leap, start by picking a platform that suits your needs and follow the steps shared today. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? You can find more related materials to what we share here on bizbuddy.com.ng. bizbuddy.com.ng is a cutting-edge online resource hub, meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of entrepreneurs and business owners seeking a comprehensive repository of information, tools, and resources to bolster their business acumen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And I want to hear from you. What steps are you excited to implement in your sales funnel? Share your thoughts in the comments below.